Top 7 dangerous ants in the world. Number 7. Florida harvester ant. The Florida harvester ant is found from Florida to North Carolina and west to Mississippi and Louisiana. Unlike honeybees, harvester ants are capable of stinging multiple times. Similar to fire ants, the harvester ant's two-part bite and sting process begins with the harvester ant attaching to its victim with mandibles, then proceeding to repeatedly sting an insect venom into a region by pivoting around the site. And its size can be of 4.7 to 11.5 mm. Number 6. Green tree ant. Green tree ants occur across northern Australia from the Kimberley region in Western Australia to about Gladstone in Queensland. They are found in all forest types but do not occur in the highlands. Green tree ant workers are aggressive and defend their nests by swarming on the attacker. The greenhead ant is known for its painful and venomous sting that can cause anaphylactic shock in sensitive humans. They can't sting you, but if you get bitten by a mean ant, it can be quite irritating. Dr. Yeats said the bite from a green tree ant is quite comparable in terms of pain, as it will bite you to cut into the skin before spraying formic acid into the cuts. A mild allergic reaction may lead to a rash or significant swelling around the area. Hives and swelling away from the bite signal that you are having a generalized allergic reaction, while tongue and throat swelling in addition to breathing difficulties, coughing. Greenhead ants are mostly effectively controlled using granule baits such as pest expert nest kill bait. The bait is taken back to the nest where it is shared with other colony members. As it is important that all the queens are eliminated, this is very effective and controlled technique. These ants form colonies with multiple nesting trees, each nest being made of leaves stitched together using the silk produced by the ant larvae. Number 5. Saifu ant. Dorylus, also known as driver ant, safari ants or saifu, is a large genus of army ants found primarily in Central and East Africa, although the range also extends to Southern Africa and tropical Asia. The only ant that could potentially devour you is saifu, the African driver ant. They are not as bad as they are in the movies, but are known to have killed infants. The issue is that you are not moving, so they can attack you and you can't do anything. They are typically 6 inches long, with their size and appearance varying as a result of the quantity of fungus they are fed as larvae. The army ants of New World tropics and the driver ants of Africa have been depicted in fiction as very dangerous predators that may even threaten humans. Number 4. Bullet ant. A bullet ant is an ant species known for its extremely painful stings. Bullet ants are sometimes referred to the conga ant or the lesser giant hunting ant. Bullet ants live in humid lowland rainforests in Central and South America. The average size of bullet ant is between 0.7 and 1.2 inches long. The bullet ant is considered the world's largest true ant species. A sting from a bullet ant has been compared to the same amount of pain from a gunshot. The bullet ant has a boring diet. Workers mostly collect sugar water from rainforest canopies supplemented with chunky prey items like other ants and pieces of caterpillars. Bullet ants are not aggressive, only stinging when cornered or provoked. Number 3. Bulldog ant. Australia is home to many unique species of animal, including the small but fearsome bulldog ant. This red, angry looking variety of ant is one of the largest, most aggressive species of ants on the planet. They have large mandibles and venom stings that in humans cause intense pain, the worst of any insect sting that can last for several days. Though ants typically have limited vision, bulldog ants can see and identify targets from about a meter away. Bullet ants are large, alert ants that can grow up to 40 mm. Number 2. Jack Jumper ant. The jack jumper ant, also known as the jack jumper, jumping jack, hopper ant or jumper ant, is a species of venomous ant native to Australia. Their sting generally only causes a mild local reaction in humans. However, it is one of the few ant species that can be dangerous to humans along with other ants in genus. Between 1980 and 2004 deaths were due to anaphylaxis from jack jumper stings, all of them in Tasmania. Number 1. Fire ant. Fire ants are several species of ants in the genus Solenopsis. They are, however, only a minority in the genus, which includes over 200 species of Solenopsis worldwide. Fire ants were accidentally brought into this country on a cargo boat from South America. Fire ants live in colonies which can contain over 200,000 ants. Fire ant colonies are typically composed of female worker ants and one queen who is responsible for laying eggs. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Bye bye guys.